Yo, where the f is J-Lo?
Y'all seen J-Lo?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here, back again with another video. And by special request, you know what I'm saying? Got my big dog back with me. Big dog. And well, y'all seen the last clip of what happened. I'll put the note on the screen, but that's what happened. So Shorty is leaving temporarily. We're relocating her to finish the project, and when we come back, we're gonna be assholes. Straight pipe, no exhaust, just come through here and bother everybody with it. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock in the morning, you have to miss it. Huh?
Gotta beat the sun up on you.
Wake up.
Dark as there.
Wake up, man. I'm gonna go ahead and post y'all up. I'm gonna put this on the time lapse because I'm sure this is gonna take a little longer than 4 or 5 minutes. So I'm gonna put y'all on the time lapse. Y'all keep rocking with us and stay tuned.
Three days later.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here, back again with another video. And today we back messing with, you know what I'm saying, Miss Corvette, the Corvette. You see we got the motor in on the last episode, and today we are just going to start by putting the accessories on. I got to get the water pump, power steering pump, the crank pulley, intake, all that good stuff. I got to throw all that on today. And then the last thing that we would have to do is modify that C-beam that's holding the transmission to the differential. So today's focus is just getting the accessories on. We got my partner in crime in the background doing what he does, you feel me? And then the mascotting.
2 hours later.
All right, man, I did a little bit of work off camera. Y'all didn't see it.
Ain't do a thing. Come over here and waste everybody's time.
You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Oh, puppy, you trying to take me out, ain't it? I got the power steering bracket on, and then I also was trying to attach the crank pulley, but I need an LS7 bolt in order to get it set back in place. And then once that's there, I lost the bolts to the water pump, so I'm going to order those off of Amazon, and I'll be able to do all of that in one sweep. The only thing that's left after that is the wiring system. Once it's wired up, fuel system, again, the miscellaneous lines around the transmission lines, power steering lines, just tidying up, you know what I'm saying? But I'm done for the day. Yeah, he finally made some progress on it. It took him about 30-40 minutes, but he got that bad boy up in the earth. You did what I'm saying. I think he finna go grab some bolts to get this mug on that engine stand in the back over there. You did what I'm saying. Both being moving. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all. This is short. There'll probably be a part 2, but if it ain't a part 2, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. And it's your boy J-Lo signing off. This bad boy. Peace. What's Gucci, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here again, back with another video. And I didn't realize how bland I'll be in videos. My voice is kind of monotone. So I'm gonna try to, you know what I'm saying, add a little bit more personality and expression in my videos and stop being monotone. But nevertheless, you know what I'm saying, it's another episode of working on the Vette. We're trying to get some work done. Today we're still focused on the crank pulley. We're gonna put the water pump on and maybe even the intake manifold. And then we just gotta worry about wiring from that point. Also too, let me show y'all, man. I was driving home late last night and the deer jumped out in front of me, man. You know what I'm saying? And it messed the Ranger up. So it's just a little front clip, front grill, and then the support behind it. The front, I don't know what this is, shroud, whatever. It looks like it was fiberglass, but it does unbolt, so I'll probably go to pull apart the junkyard, see if I can find that and replace it. But yeah, man, it even left a little dent on the hood. So we got another project to fix. We also got to do the lower control arms on this bad boy. It has a really bad squeak to it, so we got some work cut out for us on the truck. It ain't nothing new, but we focused on this girl right here today. Without further ado, let's jump into it. For anybody that's following along, you know what I'm saying, I went to Amazon and I got this tool here to put that crank pulley on. I know you could have used an LS7 crank bolt as well, that would have worked, but I just went ahead and bought the tool that's made for it. That way if I ever had to install another one, I'm not worried about stripping threads and whatnot. I could just throw that bad boy on. So we about to get this pulley put on. What's good, y'all? So time has gotten away from me a little bit. You can see it's nighttime outside. We got the lights on it though. We got the water pump installed. We got the power steering pump, alternator, all of that plumbed up. It's not plumbed up, but it's installed. We got to run the plumbing to everything. I'm still on the ropes about the intake. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a shaved intake or if I'm just going to have to fabricate a hood, or I'm not sure. I haven't really figured that part out yet, but as far as just the mechanical side, everything is in place. It's just plumbing now. I removed the lines from the transmission, the 4L60, and they run to the radiator here for the cooling. So I have AN lines for that, AN fittings for the transmission lines. I have AN fittings for the fuel lines, and then I have AN fittings for power steering. The power steering, I'm gonna try to fabricate the factory openings to the 5.3 to see if I can get all of that to work. And then that's that big jumble of wires that came from the original harness that I still have. It's all coming together. It's taking a lot longer than I expected it to, and I set a deadline. I'm way past that deadline of finishing, because I underestimated the task itself. Not that it's difficult, but it is time consuming, and then it's also the part of having everything that you need. I think that's consumed the most amount of time, is not having what I needed for the job, you know what I'm saying? So between ordering parts, running the parts stores, you know what I'm saying, that's consumed a lot of the time, and that's what's delayed the project. But as y'all see, man, it's coming together slowly but surely. I need to clean a lot of this up, go back through it, clean up the paint work, make it look a lot better, and again, figure out that wiring harness. I got the simple LS wiring harness. It's on the roof right there, but I just got to get behind it, man, get to it, get this work done, and that's pretty much it. Also too, I love y'all too. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Everybody that's new, make sure y'all hit the comment button. Make sure you like the video, make sure you comment down below, you feel me? Turn on those post notifications, because I didn't realize how important it was and why people used to stress that all the time, but I know now. So if y'all rocking with your boy, turn on the post notifications, like the video, leave a comment down below, you know what I'm saying? Just to let me know how you feeling about the build so far. But it's your boy J-Lo signing off. This guy for today. Peace.